Today we're taking a close look at the Sailrite Leather Precision Knife. This is a high quality pen knife, and it's called that because of the way that you can hold it kind of like a pen and be really controlled while you're cutting. So it's perfect for precise cuts, maybe if you're cutting things out from a pattern or a template. It's also great to use with a straight edge for long straight cuts as well. My favorite part about this knife is that the blade is actually replaceable. So of course you can sharpen and strop and maintain this blade, but if it ever gets to the point where you want to replace it, you have that option. You simply just unscrew this with the hex wrench and you can pop in a new blade. I love the way this handle looks. It's made from a desert ironwood in a nice brass accent with very cool dovetail joint right there and brass rivets, keeping everything together. And moving over to the blade, it is made from carbon steel. And my last note about the design of this knife is that it's made almost like a carpenter's pencil, which is really nice because it's a rectangle, so when you set it down, it's not going to roll away from you. And the best way to maintain your knife and keep that razor sharp edge is to use the strap from time to time, and you need to make sure that you match the angle of the blade on your strap and then pull it towards yourself about 5 to 10 times at that consistent angle. And then I flip it over to the flat side as well and strap that part as well. Finish up on the smooth side of your strap, couple passes, and you're ready to cut again. The Precision Leather Knife is just one of many options available now at Sailrite.com.